Today we discuss about stem and leaf plot. What is stem and leaf plot? A stem and leaf plot is a table that is used to display a data. Okay, it is a table that is used to display a data. And in this table we have two columns. One is stem and other is leaf. The stem is on the left display the first digit or digits, and the leaf is on the right and display the last digit. For example, if we want to make a stem and leaf plot for this data, so how can we make a stem and leaf for this data set? First we make a two column. One is for stem and other is for leaf. Okay, now how can we put a digit in stem and in leaf column? So for this, look at this value 50. This last digit, that is 0. This 0 is our leaf and this 5 is our stem. Okay, like for example, let us take another value, that is 100. So in this case only this last digit is our leaf, and remaining these two digits drop the leaf. These two digits are our stem. Okay, now for our given data, the stem and leaf can be created by first we create the stem by listing the largest placed value digits into the left of this vertical line. Okay, okay, look at this data. Here we have 23, so 3 should be written on this leaf column. Okay, okay, in 30s we have no value, so leave it. Okay, in 40 we have 44, so write 4 over here. And next we have 50, and then we have 65 and 68, 69, and then we have 70. Okay, then 83, 84, 85, 87, 89, and 90, 100. Okay, this is the stem and leaf plot for this given set of data. Okay, now if you turn this stem and leaf plot on its sides, it's sort of like a histogram. Okay, and this stem and leaf shows the individual value in data set, and generally it is used for smaller data set. Okay, now if there is any question related to today's topic, write on comment section and then I will reply to that. Thank you so much for watching.